Hi friends, in my last video I explained to you that if you win the DB lottery, how to select the state for you and your family to reside. In this video, as the results are on hand, that means on the 6th of June 2020 the results will be out, I thought it would be useful if I could explain about the steps that one should take if you get selected and you are on the DB lottery website on the 6th of June results. There will be no time to do a research for you. So it's better to research now itself. As explained in one of my previous videos, you will be able to use entrant status check to learn whether or not you were randomly chosen from the entrance for the opportunity to apply for an immigrant visa. When you check if your name is there in the entrance status check website, that means you are eligible to apply for a diversity visa. It does not guarantee that you will be issued a green card visa when you are selected randomly on the first stage. Do not think that, oh, I have been selected and the next step is going to America and try to make arrangements to pack your bag. No, before that, you have to do a lot. Winning the green card lottery at the first stage does not result in you automatically getting a green card. If you are lucky enough to win, that means you have won the opportunity to apply for a green card. So please check your confirmation number on the official website of DV program www.dvprogram.state.gov, and there is lot to do to get the green card visa. Therefore, please do not miss the chance by ignoring the procedures that will have to be done quickly. Normally, approximately 120,000 individuals will be selected at first by the computer as the winners of the lottery. And then about half of them will not get the visa for some reason, and only a maximum of 55,000 diversity visas are issued each year. Therefore, do not delay in checking your results, because if you are a diversity lottery winner, my advice is that you will need to act fast to get all the necessary information for submitting your green card application. Also, every year there are more winning entries than the actual visas. So you must act fast to get the lottery. After filling the amount of applicants, that is approximately 55,000, the process will be closed and others will not get a chance. So if you have won, you will be directed from there to a confirmation page with further instructions. So my congratulations in advance for those who will be seeing a message about your selection. If you have not won, you will receive a message saying that your entry has not been selected for further processing for the electronic diversity visa program. If you receive this message informing that you were not selected for this year's green card lottery, not to worry. You can always try again next year. If you were selected, please follow the instructions to submit your visa application and print your DS-260 confirmation page. All are explained very clearly in the instruction page. So do not listen to others' advice. The correct information is only given in the instructions page by the US State Department official website. You will not be mailed a letter or emailed a notice alerting you that you won or that your entry was not accepted. The only way to find out whether you were successful is to use the electronic entrance status check at www.dvprogram.state.gov. There are lots of scammers who send emails posing as the US government, notifying recipients that they have won the DV lottery and advising them to pay a fee for an immigrant visa. These are all scams used to get your personal information and to make money. Therefore, please note that you will not be notified via email about your status. Any email saying you have been selected is not true. Some scammers send emails saying that you have won the lottery even when you have never entered, and then ask for payment to process your application. All of these scammers will take your money, but in turn, you will get nothing in return. What should I do when I win? You need to fill in the DS 260 immigrant visa form exactly with the same information as the lottery form. That's in my previous videos, I have recommended not to ask anyone to help you in completing the lottery form. It's better to apply on your own. Submitting Form DS 260 does not formally execute a visa application. The application is not formally made until the visa applicant is interviewed by a US consular officer. After submitting Form DS-260 online, you must print the confirmation page and take it to your interview. So do not forget to print the confirmation page. Then the next step will be gather and submit civil documents. You can see a sample document in the US State Department website of DS-2060. It's a sample document which contains 111 pages. When I searched the internet, I got a sample of the DS-260 form. Search for that document and see what type of questions they have asked. Gather information in order to fill the information. Each applicant will have to submit DS 260 form. Then you will be instructed by email on how to electronically submit your civil documents. This must be completed before an interview. Documents should be scanned and submitted as a JPG format or a PDF file. You can prepare for interview in advance by having ready the documents such as a copy of your interview letter, passport valid for 6 months beyond your intended date of entry to the United States, and photocopy of the biographic page, two color photographs of each person applying for visa, confirmation page from the form DS-260, application for an immigrant visa you submitted online, your original birth certificate, English translation, and a photocopy, original or certified copies of birth certificates for all children of the principal applicant. Then you have to gather qualification documents such as school records, employment records, and other evidence of DV qualifying education or work experience. You will need to bring these records as well as originals of previously submitted civil documents to your visa interviews. Just for your information, I thought of briefing you on this so that it will help to have a sound knowledge what should do. But keep in mind all the instructions will be given by the relevant authorities. So not to worry, these are just to update you. Please note that in most cases all documents are not written in English should be translated into English. The translation should be accurate and a competent translator or sworn translator should translate these documents and authenticated by a government office. You have to undergo a medical appointment with an authorized physician in the country where you will be interviewed. This medical examination will be with an embassy approved doctor, also referred to as the panel physician. You must complete your medical examination along with any required vaccination before your scheduled visa interview date. After your exam, the panel physician will send the results directly to the embassy or give you a sealed envelope. Do not open it. Instead, bring it to your visa interview and give it to the consular officer. Then we will discuss about the fee. You will pay the visa application fee to the embassy or consulate on the day of the visa interview. This is the only time you will be asked to pay an application fee. So, guys, that's all for the day. If you want to know more about DV lottery procedure, please subscribe my channel and put a like Also, if you want to know what time the results will be out in your country, please send your questions in the comment line. I am readily available to answer your questions. Thanks guys for watching my channel.